Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing our second Ramadan setup, number 2. If you don't know what Ramadan is, please check out my last video where I go through in a little bit more detail on what Ramadan is. But this one we just doing a little grab and go to place on my sister Relly in her home for a little decor for Ramadan. Please excuse, I have a heart on my face once the video started. Please don't be distracted. But I washed my hair that morning and I put some oil on my hair, which I haven't done in a long time, and it kind of seeped through my shayla, and my face was greasy. It was just a whole grease mess. So I just placed the heart over my face just because I wasn't about to upload this, and then my sister was like, just put a heart or some kind of, emoji on there so could block it out, because you guys know I'm a stickler for perfection. So that's what I did, just so I can still get you guys this video. So let's get started. So we have dark green by Kalisan stuffed with a black in the inside. This is a white sand in the inside, white on the outside. Both of these are by Sempertex. And then we have some gold chrome, 11 and 7 inch. And then we have 5 inches for the dark green and the white sand. I'm like all over the place right now. But I'm going to be doing clusters. So let's just get started. So I'm going to be doing clusters of 6 only, because where this is going, the area is not too big, and I want to be able to get all the colors in. And I want to do at least 2 green and 2 of the white sand. We'll see, but yeah. And I am tying only the inside necks of the balloons as close as possible, because I'm going to be using these necks to tie both of these clusters together. So here is one neck I'm about to use. I'm going to find another neck. I'm taking the neck of this, and I'm going to tie it directly. And I don't think I'll be able to add any more colors based on the area that this is going. And maybe just these 3. And this is how this looks. Really simple. I would have loved to have like maybe like a 16-inch balloon just to give it a different dimension. But this is about, I don't know how tall, it's about 4 feet or something. I think 3 feet, 4 feet, one of those. I don't know. I don't have a measuring tape. But we're gonna add some. And let me show you guys. Oh, I'm gonna do some of these. So this is how I do my 5-inch balloons. I simply do, hold on, 1 pump. I think 1 pump is literally enough, because you don't want, I used to do like 3 or 4 pumps, and it was huge. And you don't want, these are just there for detail. We don't want these to overshadow the actual clusters. You're supposed to just look at these, and they're supposed to just show a little bit of detail on the garland, not be so big where as though they're looking like another cluster. If that makes sense, or if that's the look you're going for, then do as you please. But for me, I think 1 pump is perfect. I don't think you need any more than that, unless again that's the look you're going for. But I think it's the perfect size to just give a detail on the garland. That's what I think. So here I'm going to be doing, I'm going to add the 260 on. This is just make it easier to add on the garland. You can also tie the 5 inches neck to neck, but this way it's much easier, especially if you're on site and you need to hurry up and add these 5 inches on the garland. Now I don't have 5 inches in the in the gold chrome. Only have 7 inches. Oh, my big hurt. So I'm gonna make smaller clusters out of these, and I'm going to inflate them just to stretch it out. And I'm gonna let air out. I want it to be really, really squishy. Then I'm gonna twist this around, and I'll make a little loophole right here, and then tie it. And I made these little clusters, really small. They like 2 and 3 inches. Again, twist it around, stretch it out, make a loop, and then that's my loop, and then tie it in, and that's how that looks. Two of these. Oh, this one is a little extra small. I don't know. It looks a little funny now. I was losing it as I go. Oh wait, let me see. All right, there we go. Let's see if I have. And I cut the 260s in half. Because you don't need a full one. You'll be wrapping for days if you keep it full. Alright, I'll get up and cut one of these. But let's make this again. Let's add our clusters. So we're going to add our green one. We're just going to pick a balloon. I'm going to choose this one. Go around it, wrap it around. You can crisscross it, put one right here, and then one right here. I'm just twisting it around because that one of the balloons was kept going. It'll go in and out like the air to the next balloon. So I'm trying to twist it around so it can be pretty tight and they stay even like this. Quick mini cluster. Took about 20 minutes, including inflation. Then I'm gonna take you guys along when I go on site to just set it up really quickly to my sister's house. But it's going on her rally, so I will show you when we get there. Hey guys, so I tied the garland with 260 Qs. I used 2 of them, and this is the final setup. This is how everything looks. I added some of these crescents and stars that we got from Amazon, and this is everything, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.